I'm sorry in advance for the terrible quality of this video, but I did want to share about this lightning cable that I received. I received it for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. This is from a company named, that's upside down, Cyrift, and it's your normal USB cable for most Apple products. I really like how super durable it is. Obviously you can't tell from the video, but it is made out of PVC, and it's super strong, so you could just tell that it's gonna last a really long time. I don't really notice any differences with charging, but I can tell that this is going to last a while, as opposed to a lot of other of the third-party vendor cables that are made, because you get those and they will last for maybe a week, and then it'll crap out on you, which is not the cable's fault. A lot of the times it's Apple and the way they design their products to make it so that you buy their products and not a third party for cheaper, because of course they want to make all the money. But that's pretty much it. Simple, self-explanatory cable. Again, very durable. I love this. I will put the link below so that you can purchase it if you want. Currently it is $5.99 from Amazon, and if you have Prime you get, of course, 2-day shipping.